Hey, this is Scott with Spring Hill Fox, and welcome back. And today I want to talk about the 7 do's and don'ts of affiliate marketing. If you're new here, don't forget that share, that like, and hit that bell. Are you an affiliate marketer or considering starting affiliate marketing? Then I got you covered. I am going to share with you the 7 do's and don'ts of affiliate marketing that you should know for a successful and ethical business. Keep watching to the end. I've got links down below. And I'll see you in that video. Okay, folks, here are the 7 do's and don'ts of affiliate marketing. To build trust with your audience, creating a relationship with your audience is essential to providing value and being authentic in your recommendations. Don't promote products to earn money. Always promote products that are relevant and beneficial to your audience. This way, they are more likely to trust and follow your recommendations. To educate yourself about that your products, features, benefits, and drawbacks, make informed recommendations. Don't use deceptive marketing tactics. Avoid using clickbait titles and false, misleading claims about the product you are promoting. This can harm your reputation and credibility as an affiliate marketer. Do disclose your affiliation. Let your audience know you're an affiliate marketer and may receive a commission for your recommended product. Don't spam your audience with emails or productions. Please respect the privacy and only send relevant and timely advertisements. Only rely on a single affiliate program for some of your income. Explore other affiliate opportunities later on down the road for multiple income streams. So there you go. You should follow these 7 do's and don'ts of affiliate marketing for a successful and ethical business. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more affiliate marketing tips and tricks. And thank you, and I will see you in the next video.